Ready to eat meatloaf. Ito ang pangalan. Meatloaf. Ready to eat. And also this is seasoned Brussels sprouts. Ayun. Seasoned Brussels sprouts. Merienda time. Ito siya. Seasoned Brussels sprouts. Papainit ko na lang yan sa microwave. Ayun. Meatloaf. I'm just gonna heat it up and I'll be all set and ready. Ayun, kain na. Pinakain ko kina Blessings and Bubbles yung ibang meatloaf. Sarap, sarap. Kain, merienda time. Yep. Yan, napainit ko na. Sa aking air fryer. Harap. Harap din yung Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. Wow. Yummy. Sarap kumain.